Traders, good afternoon, August 8, 2018. After the market closed, going to report on NBDR. Once again, no borders Inc. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and visit my site for upcoming live trading courses at thetradingteacher.com. So NBDR, I'm providing an update on this just because I have a few individuals that asked me to report on it. And I had reported on it, but I'll continue reporting on it until, I'm just bored of reporting on a particular stock. Okay? So, NBDR did exactly what I believed it would yesterday. Remember, I told you a hammer at its highs. You got a hanging man right here at its highs. You have resistance, and then this hanging man that confirmed the resistance. I told you it's going to create a bearish engulfing pattern. That's what to look for. And that's what happened. But I also give you other alternatives that could play out. If it goes higher, look at the resistance level here, so on and so forth. But the bearish engulfing pattern will look like the obvious play. Now, moving forward, I also stated, well, let her trade down to around this level around here. You see this uptrend. And I would say it will bounce. I think I did this yesterday. I'm pretty sure I did it. Hold on, I apologize. Let me just back up a little bit. There we go. So it should bounce something like this. Maybe do a double bounce, then go up. If this decides to go higher. But remember, once it breaks through this uptrend right here, this uptrend line, no go. All right, meaning it's not heading higher. So if you do try to get into this position, try to get in at or just above this uptrend. And if it breaks through this uptrend line by any given day, by the end of the close, I'm not talking about the tails and the shadows. I'm talking about the actual bar. If it closes below that, and now when I mean closes below, like if it's like, a tenth of a penny, maybe a quarter of a penny below it, that's nothing. What I'm looking for is like a half a penny, like a solid, like, red bar, just to confirm that's below that uptrend. And if it is, you might be on the wrong side of the trade with this. But it still looks good. It's consolidated. We have this triangle pattern that I performed for you guys. And what it's going to do, I honestly think it's just going to bounce up to this line. And it could go higher, but it might do another bounce. And then it might take off. As long as it stays above this uptrend, everybody in this position is okay. And if you're not in this position and you're looking to get in this position, don't chase. Enter a bid out. Let it come down to you and, above this uptrend, and let it fill you at a price that I honestly believe can be the lowest price if it's continuing to go up. If it actually breaks under that and closes under that uptrend, well, you know what? It's not going to go up. Well, it will, but not anytime soon. It'll break the momentum, the upward momentum moving forward. So good luck to you guys. Remember to follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. If you want to take a live upcoming trading course with me, go to my site, thetradingteacher.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you believe my trading videos are being helpful. Take care and have a great evening.